This is a full video tutorial on how to use Bybit MetaTrader 5, and also this is how to use MetaTrader 5 in general. Now, if you have successfully logged in your Bybit details on your MetaTrader 5 account, this is what you will be seeing. But if you have not logged in your Bybit MetaTrader 5 account, I have a video where I teach on how you can actually log in your Bybit MetaTrader 5 login details on your MetaTrader 5 account. I have a full tutorial video on that, and also a video on how you can actually create your own Bybit MetaTrader 5 account. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Bybit MetaTrader 5 platform. But let me just quickly show you what to do so you can actually add your Bybit account details on MetaTrader 5 platform. All you need to do is just to click on the option of hold. If you look on top right there, you can see option that says hold. Just click on it. Once you do that, you click on the option that says manage account. Once you click on option that says manage account, now this is where you see all the accounts that you have. Now you can add as many accounts that you want, both live accounts and demo accounts. Now for you to add a new account, you need to click on the plus sign that is on top. You can actually see the plus sign that is on top. Now once you click on that plus sign, it will bring you here. Now this is where you find the broker that you are using. In this case, we are looking for Bybit. Now each broker has something called server, and once you create a trading account or a live account on any broker or on Bybit, they will show you their server. Now you have to copy the server link or the server name and you paste it on this find broker. You can see the option of find broker. You just have to paste your server name on the find broker. Once you do that, it will automatically show up your server. These are all the servers I have interacted so far. Now this is the Bybit own, which is Infra Capital Limited. You click on it. Now the thing you need to do here is just to put in your login number or login ID number, or you put in your password. Once you put in those details, it will automatically take you to your Bybit account. That is just how simple it is on how to log in your Bybit account on the MT5 platform. Now this is my Bybit account. I just transferred $51 from my Bybit account to my Bybit MT5 account. Now for you to learn how to do transfer, I have a video on that. You can actually check the link in the description to watch video on how to do transfer from your Bybit account to your Bybit MT5 account. Now once you are here, I'm going to be showing you how to use different tabs on this platform. You can see the tab of quotes, you can see market, you can see trade, you can see history, you can see messages. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know step by step along the way. And as you interact with this platform, you'll be learning a lot. Now on the option of trade, now this is where you'll be seeing your running trades or your pending orders. Now you will see your running trade or your pending orders. As of right now, there is no running trades on my account or any pending order, but I'm going to be showing you a demonstration on how to create or how to open a pending order on the MT5 platform. Now another thing you can see there is on history. Now history is where you can actually see all your trade history. Just click on it. You can actually see all your trade history or anything going on your account. You will see your deposit, your withdrawal, your profit and your losses. As you can see, I've done a lot of deposit and withdrawal right here. I've not placed any trade. You can actually click on top. You can click on top here, which is this option right there. If you click there, it will bring a drawdown where you can actually check today's history, last week history, last 3 months history, or you can click on the custom period by selecting the year and the month you want to look at. You actually see all of those information right there. Now you can see the option of position, order and deals. All of these things are not really that necessary. As you are trading, you will be having understanding of how to use this platform. Now the next thing I want to show you there is on the option of messages. Now messages are not really that important. Now messages is where MT5 be sending you some important information, or if you newly added an account, they'll just send you a pop-up messages. You don't need to bother about this. Now you can see the option of register or login. Now this means if you want to log in on your MetaQuote account, which is not necessary, or less if you need that, you can actually create an account or log in on MetaQuote. You can actually buy robots, you can actually subscribe for copy trading or for signals, depending if you want it. Now this is for people who already advanced, but for me, this is not necessary for any newbie. Now you can see the option of chart. Now let's go on chart to look at what we have to see on chart. Now on this chart section, this is where you see the chart of anything you are looking at. In this case, we are looking at the chart of gold. You can see gold right there, gold USD. We're looking at the chart of gold, and this is how amazing it can be, whereby that you can trade a lot of things on the MT5 platform, and at the same time you can see the option of buy and sell. Let me show you buy and sell. This is sell, this is buy, and this is lot size. Now you need to also understand these three things is important, because these three things is what you're going to be using constantly. Either you are buying or you are selling, and also you are going to be putting your lot sizes. Your lot size has to do with risk. Now, if you want to learn how to use lot sizes, I want you to comment below if you want me to make a video on what is lot sizing, because lot sizing is a lot. I can't be able to explain that in this video. If I do that, this video will be so long. But it's just a simple thing for you to know how to calculate your risk and so many other things you can do on this platform. Another thing you can actually see is this plus sign right there. You can see this thing right there. You can see H1. You can see something like this. You can also see something behind it. Now, if you click on this particular button right there, now this is where you can actually remove this buy and sell button. Now, this MT5 is actually upgraded, whereby that you can actually click on buy and sell immediately. Let me show you an example. You can click on this thing on top. If you click on this on top, you can actually see the buy and sell just go. Let me click on it again. The buy and sell just show up. Now on this buy and sell, you can just enter the market immediately without you setting any price limit. Now you can actually use this cross here. You just tap on it. When you click on this cross, this is where you can actually see different prices. You can see I can actually rotate, and you can see price in between those numbers. You can see them. This is where you know whether you're doing a sell or a buy. You know the price we're selecting. Another thing you can see there, if you click there, is where you can actually add indicators. As you can see, I have one indicator on my account, which is Relative Strength Index, RSI. If you want to add more indicators, you just click on this FX main chart. You can see these are so many other indicators you can actually add right there. So I don't want to add indicator on this my MT5 account. Now another thing you can do there, let's go back to the home page, is on the H1. This is where you select your time frames. You can see if you click on it, other time frame will show up. You just have to select any time frame you want to look at, and you just look at anything you want to look at. So that's just what it is. Now the next thing you can see there is the option of quotes. Now look at quotes right here. Now let's go to quote to see what is happening and what we can do on quote. If you click on quote, now this is where you see so many pairs. As you can see, these are different kinds of pair. Some of them you might be trading it, some of them you might not be trading it. Some of them can come as a default by MT5. I'm going to be showing you how to remove it. As you can see, the first pair you can see there is gold USD, which is XAU USD. You can actually see gold AUD. You can actually scroll down to see so many other pairs. Now, if you want to remove them, this is what you need to do. Just click on this pen icon. You can see on this pen icon, once you click on that pen icon, it will bring up a delete option. You can see a delete box. You can see the delete option right there. You can see right there. All you need to do is to tap on that delete option. You have to select the things you want to delete. Let's say, for example, we want to delete everything. Let's go ahead and delete everything. Then we'll have to click on that delete box. You can see we have deleted everything. The only thing we can see there is XAUUSD. The reason why it wasn't deleted is because it is the only pair on the chart. You can't delete any pair on the chart. Now, for us to delete it, we have to add other pairs so we can actually delete it. Now, for you to add any other thing you want to trade, now this is how to add different pairs. By clicking on this plus button, if you are on quote, Once you click on that plus button, you will see this option. You can see the option that says find symbols. Now this is where you can manually type in any pair that you're looking for. Now for you to get it, you have to type in the ticker symbol. But these are the things you can actually trade on this platform. You can trade Forex, Forex Major, Forex Exotics, commodities, gold, oil, silver, and different things. You can see the option of cryptocurrency, you can see the option of Nikki, and so many other things you can actually do on this platform. Now for you to add cryptocurrency, this is the cryptocurrency option right there. All you need to do is just to click on it. Once you tap on it, this is where you see so many cryptocurrency that Bybit allows you to trade. You can see Bonk, Flocky, Pepe, Rad. You can see so many of them. Now for you to add it, you just have to tap on it. For example, let's add this Dogecoin versus USDT. You tap on it, it enters. BTC USDT, you tap on it. BNB USDT, you tap on it. You can see I'm tapping them. Now the more you tap, the more they enter on your quote. Now this is where you can actually trade them. Now let's go back to our quote to see the ones we have added so far. As you can see, the first one you can see on top there is Doge. Let me show you everything. You can actually see these are the ones who added. We didn't add the XAUUSD. I'm going to show you how to remove it as well. So you can see the ones who added Doge, BTC, BNB, AVAX, Arbitron, and so many other cryptocurrency we added right there. Now for us to be able to delete that gold, let's say we want to delete it, we have to first of all check the chart of any other cryptocurrency that we added. So let's click on that Doge USDT, just tap on it. Now once you tap on that Doge, you see so many options it will be showing you. Once you tap on it, you see the option of new order, chart, properties, market statistics, simple view mode. Now all of them will not be useful to you. The main thing you need to be using when you are using this platform is this chart and new order. You're going to be using chart and new order. Now, if you actually understand what you are doing over time, this is when you can now start using the option of market statistics, which is really not needed. Now, for you to be able to remove that gold, you just have to click on chart. Now, what this thing means that you want to check the chart of what is happening on Doge. Now, this is what is happening on Doge. You can actually tap in the center and you can actually select different time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame of Doge. You can tap on it. You can click on the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame of Doge. Now this is what is happening on Doge right now. Doge price is at 16 cents at the moment. Now let's go back to quotes so we can actually delete that gold XAUUSD. So let's go back to quotes. If you go back to quotes, we click on this pen icon like I said earlier. You click on the delete box. You can see this is where you can now select to delete the XAUUSD. You click on it, then you click on delete. Now we have successfully deleted it. Now this is so simple. For you to be able to place order on this platform, very simple. Let's use the example of BTC. BTC is currently at $71,000 at the time of making this video. You just tap on it. Like I said, you can click on chart to look at the chart of BTC, or you click on new order. If you click on new order, this is where you execute your trades. If you want to trade, there are two kinds of trading, which is market execution and pending orders. If you want to do market execution, you just have to click buy or sell. It means that you want to enter the market instantly. That's what it means. Most of us are already using this platform. Now, another thing you can actually see there is the option of XL and TP. Now, this is where you put your stop loss and where you put your take profits. This is where you put your stop loss. This is where you put your take profit. So simple. You can actually see the option of lot size. The lot size, let me show you lot size so you can actually see it right there. This is the option of lot size. Now, this is where you put in the appropriate lot size for your trade. Like I said, lot size is very, very important. I'm going to be making a full video on how to use lot size. If you click on that market execution, you'll see the option of buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. They are almost the same thing, but the main thing you're going to be using here is buy limit and sell limit, or sell stop or buy stop, depending on what you're doing. Now, if you have been trading Binance futures or Bybit futures, this could be very easy for you to easily select any of them and you can actually execute your trades. Now, I don't want to execute trade because this is a live account. If I click on any trade right now, I will be on drawdown. Let's say, for example, we want to use a buy limit option. Let me place a trade so you can actually see. So let's click on new order. So let's select buy limit, and let's put the buy limit price at, want to buy Bitcoin at, let's say we want to buy Bitcoin at 60,000. We can actually put our stop loss if we want. We can also put our take profit if we want, but you can also put it later the way you trade on Bybit futures or Binance futures. You can click on place. Now you can see I have successfully placed order. My order is showing on the trade. Now from this order to trigger, price has to get to 60,000 for my order to be triggered. Now for you to delete it, just click on it, tap and hold. You can click on delete. Now you can also do something called bulk operation. You can see right there, bulk operation. You can click on it. If you click on it, you just have to read the terms and conditions, and you click on accept and click on OK. Now what this bulk operation simply means that if you have many positions that you open, you can close all of them once without doing it manually one after the other. Let's say you can see the option there, delete all orders, delete limit orders, delete BTC orders, delete BTC buy limit orders. Let's say, for example, if you want to delete all orders, just click on delete all orders. Let's say you are in profit, you can also see the option delete all running trades. You just click on it. Now, whatever trade that you are in determine what it will be showing you. But in this case, let's click on delete order. You just click on delete. You can see I have deleted the order. If you go back to your history, you'll be seeing it. Now, there are so many things you can do on this platform, but as you use it, you actually interact with it. Now, if you click on this thing by the side, let me show you. You can see this thing that has a plus sign by the side. If you click on it, it takes you to the chart where you can actually place trade immediately. Just tap on it. It takes you here where you can take buy or sell. Now, this is just instant execution. If I click on buy and sell right now, I will be on drawdown. Maybe I'll be getting a demo account to demonstrate how these things work. If you want to see that video, you can also drop a comment on the comment section and let me know whether you want to see that video. Now, this is just the basic thing on how to use this platform, but it's just for you to start interacting with it. I've shown you how to add your own cryptocurrency pair or forex pair. If you also want to add forex pair, the same thing, just click on the plus icon and click on the option of forex. You can see forex major. If you click on forex major, this is where you see forex pairs, AUD USD, AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY. You can see right there CAD JPY and so many other forex pairs, depending on what you want to do. This is very flexible. If you got value from this video, I want you to hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching this video. See you on another one.